Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're on Snapchat, the browser version. We're gonna check how many views my on-demand geofilter got. Okay, so this is accounts.snapchat.com. You can log in and come here and get a lot more information. Snap code, some of your data, ads, change your password, unlock accounts, delete accounts, that type of stuff. But basically, I created an on-demand geofilter for a lake. Last time I checked that thing, it had like 500,000 uses. So I'm gonna go to it now. We're gonna see how many uses it has. And you can also create your own on-demand geofilters and stuff like that. That's like a location. So if you're in Chicago and you snap a photo and you swipe left, it's gonna show like Chicago on the bottom, or like a fancy graphic with a location. So it's that type of stuff. You can create your own and then it gives you the data for that. So I created one for a lake in Kalamazoo. Let's go ahead and go to on-demand geofilters. This is where you're going to be able to create and manage your own. I think you want to go to like community filters, submit now. It's kind of a weird interface, but this should take us to it. Community filters, on-demand geofilters. So this is the creation screen. I don't really want to create one right now though. Community filters. Okay, so this is the one that I created. So there's the graphic. You can see there's just a little sort of logo in the bottom left corner. So before it had 500,000 views, now it has 636,000 views and 21,000 uses. So that's a lot of uses. So kind of complicated to get to this screen. It'd be nice if you could just view it from like the accounts.snapchat.com. I don't even remember what I did to get here. You just got to click a bunch of stuff and eventually you'll get here to see the statistics for all of your filters. So there it is. 21,000 uses. That's dope. Hopefully you guys like this video. Just kind of a random thing, just checking it, showing you guys that it's a thing that you can do. You can create these yourself if you want. I used Photoshop to create this one. I made this one for a wedding too. So I got 69 uses, 3.6k views, costed $11. So this is pretty cool. I mean, you can come on here, create your own, check your statistics and stuff like that. I just thought you guys would find it interesting. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might well.